Hey guys, welcome back on Deutsch Motorsport. We are now on the ABT stand at the Geneva Motor Show, and we have here the Audi RS5-R from ABT, which has been prepared and tweaked with a lot of features. We have a lot of modifications. We can see all the visual elements that have been changed. We see, for example, a lot of carbon fiber parts, like the roof, side mirrors. We have bigger wheels, 21 inches on the front and the back. Here on this side we have this kind of side skirt in carbon fiber, really nice looking ones. Also at the back we have just above the exhaust tips, we have above the exhaust tips carbon fiber ports here. Also the rear spoiler, it's made of carbon. And here we have a really nice RS5 logo here in the middle with a huge diffuser. We're gonna have a look at the front, which look pretty massive. We have those nice looking carbon fiber parts, like here on the front bumper. Huge, also in carbon front lip.
Dass die Luftquelle ist gerechnet und es mehr Fläche.
In the inside we have also, so let's have a look at the inside. The inside is pretty fantastic. We have a lot of carbon parts in it. Here on the door panels, we have also on the seats here. The steering wheel is made with a lot of carbon fiber. We have also on the dashboard a lot, and it looks just fantastic. We have those nice logos of ABT here on the gear knob, and the seats have also been changed. We have nice leather and Alcantara seats with nice double stitching on the side and stitching in the middle. We have also this nice logo of ABT and RS5-R on the seats. It's just look great. Let's have a look at the other side. So on both sides we have those fantastic carbon fiber parts, and we can see this one is the third in a limited edition of 50 RS5-R. So it's a limited edition we have here. And if you have one of these, you're sure that nobody else in the world will have the same, or you have less chance. So here on the ABT stand we have also a lot of other ABT models, but I think that this one was a really incredible one. So thanks for watching guys, keep following us, keep subscribing and keep sharing. Thank you.